The blockchain, quite simply put, is a distributed ledger that is maintained across several computers in a peer-to-peer network. So it's a ledger that stores all the transactions, and every time a new transaction is made, a new block is created along the chain, and each transaction just adds on to a new block, and they inadvertently form a chain. It's a question that we get quite often. Bitcoin is not blockchain. Bitcoin is merely you could say a product that uses the underlying technology of blockchain to work. The future is getting increasingly distributed and more collaborative, so the decentralized nature of blockchain will be the bedrock of future economies, the way we handle information, the way we handle transactions. So we see that the future will get increasingly decentralized, especially in transactions where there are lower trust required. Basically, we created a workshop where we wanted to share a lot of our enterprise experience, because a lot of people that we interact with only understands blockchain in the context of cryptocurrency. So we feel that it's important for them to see how the technology has evolved already, and it's moved into an enterprise space where organizations, governments are looking at leveraging on this technology to perform more efficiently, expeditiously, save money, especially when it comes to things like cross-border transactions, custodial fees, etc. So yeah, we just wanted to create a program to be able to share all this experience with people so they see the true value of blockchain in this next phase of growth.
Blockchain topic has been quite hot these past 2 years. So I think today's takeaway pretty much above the expectation. So at least we have quite an experienced speaker with us today. So well learned and got a lot of insights from our speaker today. So I think this kind of session is good, and I think I would pretty much want to expose this kind of program to my senior staff. So I would probably follow up closely with ZK, and then I think we would probably work closely together to probably have more coverage on this topic.
Today I attended the training here at InfoTrack for blockchain and all the solutions. Very good workshop. At least finally I have a very in-depth understanding on blockchain. So thank you very much for hosting and having this training, this workshop. Very good chance for me to pick up on it. And next stage I will go and maybe deeper into understanding for blockchain. Of course I'll come back again to this same place. Thank you very much.